this is Heather with HeatherBCo. I am doing an unboxing today of the Simply Gilded, the first Simply Gilded box since she reformatted how we were going to be receiving the box. I know most people have already received this, so I'm running a little bit late on my my video, but for some reason mine got stuck and it kind of sat for a couple of days. You know, the USPS is pretty overwhelmed right now and sometimes not as efficient as we would like them to be. And for whatever reason, mine kind of got stuck in all that mess. So this is the new box that it comes in. I don't know that this is going to be a box like every month. If it's going to be like this, I would assume it is. But very cute box. So here's the back of it with all of the Simply Gilded information. So it did have the address label right here, but I was able to take it off fairly easy. I just kind of, you know, picked up the little corner and then I peeled it off really, really slow. I didn't need the blow dryer. I know Cheryl has gone on the group and said that if you use a blow dryer, it helps it come off. I didn't have to do all that. I just had to pull it off really, really slow. And it didn't leave any residue or anything like that. So very cute box, you know, to keep on your shelf or whatever. It does have Simply Gilded on the side right here. It's got this pretty bow right here, Simply Gilded on this side as well. So let's go ahead and get it open. And this is what it looks like when you open it. So we have the journaling card. We've got some little squiggles right here and all of the other goodies that come in there. So let's start going through everything. Actually, I've had this in my office for probably, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 days. And I'm just now getting to open it. I haven't looked at anything in here. I have seen, you know, some pictures and things online, but I haven't really like dug into it myself. All right, so we'll put this off to the side. So here is the journaling card. It's very pretty. So this is Cafe Fleur is the theme this month. And this is like a postcard. All the gold foiling is really, really pretty. All right, so we get these items in here, and I think it's pretty much going to be the same items every month. She did say that there might be a couple of changes. Like instead of the pen, we might get something else, or instead of the sticky notes, we might get, I don't know, a little something different. But for the most part, this is what, in addition to the journaling card, this is what we're going to get every month. So let's go ahead and start with the pen, I guess. So this is the basic, let me move this out of the way. This is the basic Simply Gilded pen that we get, or we used to get in all of the other boxes. I don't know, it's kind of dark. My lighting's kind of dark today for some reason. But it's got this Simply Gilded bow. Let me see if I can get, oh, did I have it? I don't know if you can see it. Okay, there you go. You can see the bow on the end right there, and then it's going to have Simply Gilded on the oh, it's escaping me what this is called right here, but it's a nice floral pen. These are gel pens. They write really, really well. Nice heavy weight. I carry these in my purse. I use these quite a bit. So the next item I'm going to show you is this little notepad. I don't believe this is a sticky note. No, it's just a little notepad. It's probably got 25 sheets or so. Really cute gold foiling. I actually use these on my desk, you know, as I need to jot down notes or whatever. It's really good for when I have a phone call and I need to write something down real quick. It's just right there and I can grab it. And the next thing is the sticker kit. So again, I haven't even opened any of this, so this is going to be kind of new to me as everything that we're getting. Okay, so we get quite a few stickers in here. So we are getting a 4-page kit, and the bow seals to match. And then we also get the date dots and icons to match everything. So this is in a nice pretty green with pink and black, and the striping I love. Okay, so here is the first page. It's got all your full boxes, and we've got some headers right here. This is a lot of functional stuff, some half boxes, headers, some 3/4 boxes, a bunch of flags, some checklist. We've got some deco right here, some more icons, and some bows. And on this we have 4 sets of date covers, some headers, a couple more half boxes right here. So that is the kit. And then of course we always get the date dots. These are cut in hearts, and they have icons at the bottom. And of course the bow seals that match. So that is what the sticker kit will consist of every month. So it'll be a 4-page kit plus the bow seals and the date dots. All right, so here we go with the washi. And it came in this cute little box right here that matches the whole theme, Cafe Fleur. And let's go ahead and open. I didn't swatch any of these because, like I said, I'm just now getting to where I was able to open the box. So I am going to open these though and give you a little bit better look at them. Okay, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 washi in this box. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7. And since I don't have them swatched, I'm just going to kind of show you. Let's see, here we go. So this is kind of her passport looking washi with the France. You've got the Eiffel Tower and the little cafes in there. And then the next one, let's see if I can find the start of it. Okay, here we go. I had a little trouble getting that one started. All right, so here we go. We've got the plates of food. It looks like different breakfast items, and the mimosas with the gold foiled silverware. This one is the stripe, and it looks like it's got some hearts and flowers, maybe like roses. Here we go. Okay, so you can see right there is your gold foiling. And the next one is a 5mm, and this is one of her classic bow 5mm. If I can find the beginning of this, here we go. And there you go. So you can kind of see the foiling. Very cute floral pattern. And then this is her color block. This is actually one of my favorite styles of her 5mm washi. I actually use these quite a bit. So it's got the gold, and then it's got the stripe. And then we have a floral. Let's see, here we go. Here's the floral with the gold foiling. I'm trying to get it to where you can see the foiling a little better. There we go. Maybe right there. Okay, and then the last one is the gold scallop, which I am loving these. So useful, so versatile on what you can use them on. So yeah, so that is all the washi. Let me go ahead and give you one more look at it all together. I just kind of threw it in here. Okay, so here's one final look at the washi. Very pretty theme this month. Let me go ahead and show you everything that we get. So I do like these boxes kind of streamlined. I know it's gonna have to be a lot easier on Irene trying to get everything, you know, with all the shipping issues that the world basically is having right now. I know this is probably a sigh of relief for her to not have to worry about some of those other items. But let's see, let me put this maybe right here and put the pen right there. There we go. So this is the whole Cafe Fleur box from Simply Gilded, her new sub box format. I'm absolutely loving it. Very pretty. I love the passport element of it. I don't know if they are all going to be like themed like a passport, but time will tell on that, I guess. All right, so if you would like to subscribe to the box, you can always go on simplygilded.com and subscribe there. I know she's doing a pre-sale right now, so if you are looking to buy some of her, I guess it's a spring summer pre-sale, but I think you have until the end of this week to go ahead and place your order. She's got lots of new pretty washi coming out. Yeah, so go check out Simply Gilded. Go join the Facebook group if you're not a member of that group. There's a lot of interaction there. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.